Thank you for buying this 2-in-5 toiletry organizer from FixtureDisplays. These are detailed dimensions. This nice caddy is made from stainless steel wire and polished to perfection. This is an excellent choice to keep your toiletry, your shampoo, your lotion, your makeup items organized in a fashion that is properly confined to a space that is nice and comfortable. This item would not rust, would complement any decor. If you have any questions, feel free to email us cs@fixturedisplays.com. The gateway wire is fairly beefy, definitely hold its shape, for a long time. And I encourage you to browse FixtureDisplays.com for other products and services we have to offer. Fixture Displays make a variety of business and consumer products and is offered at very valuable prices. I hope you like this video. If you like us, subscribe. Remember, leave a good seller feedback along with a product review. If you have a custom requirement, we love the opportunity to make those for you. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.